Hey friends, I'm going to give you a really good up close look of all the features of this steam iron, but first I want to say thank you to BEAUTURAL for gifting me this iron for free in exchange for an honest review. So I'm going to tell you what I really think about it. Let's take a look. One of the first things I notice about this iron is how easy it is to fill up the water tank. What's awesome too is that it comes with its own little fill cup, which is so convenient. You literally just pour the water right in, and it also has a fill line so you can see how far to go with it. And I'm actually going to show you that. I'm right under the max right here. You also have your temperature dial here. So currently it's off, and I can bring it up to synthetic, and if you notice, the light turned from green to red to show you that it is now heating up. You also have a silk and wool setting, as well as a cotton and linen setting. You also have your steam settings here. You have off, and then you can bring it up to a higher setting if you like. You also have a self-clean button. There are instructions on how this works. I think that is so convenient, and I absolutely love that about it. One thing that's really great is that it has an auto shut off. So if it's sitting vertically for 8 minutes, it'll automatically kick off. Or if it happens to tilt over and goes into the horizontal position, it's going to shut off after 30 seconds, which is a really great safety feature. So I found these nice wrinkled pants in my closet that we're going to go ahead and iron so I can show you how the steamer works. So on the iron itself, you have a steaming button right here on the right to give you a nice burst of steam. And then you also have your sprayer nozzle where it's going to spray water right out of there as well. You need a quick squirt of water. So let's go ahead and give this a try. It's already automatically bursting out steam because of the setting that I have it on. And I love that I don't have to keep pressing the button over and over again. Now if I want to, if I'm on a little bit of a stubborn wrinkle, I can just hit that burst of steam to really give it a boost. What's great about this too is that you can also stand it up vertically and hit that steam to be able to steam something that's hanging and kind of shake out the wrinkles if you like. Also, it does have an automatic steam shut off, so when you do set it down vertically, this steam stops coming out, which is also a really great safety feature. I do find that the water tank does hold a lot of water, so you can steam for a while. I love that as well. Overall, I'm satisfied with this iron. I think it's a really great product, very good quality. I also love the weight of it as I'm ironing. I don't have to push hard. It kind of just adds its own pressure and just drives itself, which I really love that about it as well. So overall, this is a great product. I really love it, and I do recommend.